If you never want to attract negative energy ever again, say this one thing. Say this one thing and you're going to never attract negative energy again. Today's a fantastic day, by the way. Got our shirts on. If you want to check those out, this is a rendition on Nirvana's shirt, and I made a happy version of it. It's down in the comments right there down below. You can check out our shop with lots of other, not only clothing, but all household items to reprogram your subconscious and send a positive vibe out into the universe. It's right there down below. So say this to never attract negative energy again. My name is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you hit the like button right over there, and let's dive right into this. So we live in the third dimension, which is a world of polarity. Light, dark, positive, negative. And so a lot of times what happens is, because our life is governed by a subconscious mind, sub means below. So it's below conscious. It's a habitual mind. It's basically like a record player that just keeps playing itself back out over and over and over again. What happens is your subconscious has been programmed by society to attract negative energy. Now, you can free yourself from that pattern. You can free yourself from that loop. And it starts with first recognizing who you really are and what life is really about. So I want you to say this statement. I come from love. I feel love. I receive love. I come from love, I feel love, I receive love. Comment that down below. I come from love, I feel love, I receive love. Comment that down below. I come from love, I feel love, I receive love. So let's break this statement down. You come from love. Everything in this physical universe is just energy. That's all it is. This hand looks like a solid hand, but it's not a solid hand. If you get a powerful enough microscope, it's just energy. That's all it is. Everything in this universe is just energy. That's all it is. So an atom, the building blocks of the physical universe, are 99.9999999% empty space. How could everything be solid made up of 99% empty space? It's non-physical energy that holds everything together. That non-physical energy is love. You can call it God, spirit, anything that you want. It created us, it sustains us, and we are one with it. Every day the sun comes up. And we're here in this beautiful planet. This thing is pure love. So you come from love. That's your spiritual DNA. You know, they talk about your physical DNA and they say, well, my mom had blue eyes, my dad's DNA was he was short, my mom was tall, blah, 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 blah. That's your physical DNA. You have a spiritual DNA and we never talk about that. Your spiritual DNA is unconditional love that you come from, and it's available to you at all times if you can simply remember that you come from love. That God or spirit or the universe is love. And you might be like, well, I don't like that word. Alan Watts says you cannot get wet by the word water. It's not the word, it's the energy. Words are signposts that point to the energy, and the energy is love. So comment down below, you can't get wet by the word water. Comment that down below, you can't get wet by the word water. The second part of that was that you feel love. You have to make a conscious choice what you're gonna feel. Are you gonna feel upset about that past negative energy? Are you gonna feel upset because you don't wanna go to your job? It's understandable, but are you going to allow yourself, because you create the way that you feel, are you gonna allow yourself to dwell in negative energy? Because if you do, you're gonna make yourself a crap magnet. That's most people's biggest problem. They are crap magnets. In this universe of energy, the law of vibration says everything has an energy level. And then the law of attraction says like energy attracts like energy. So when we're vibrating on the energy of crap, we become crap magnets. So I want to invite you to take a deep breath in and out. Maybe go like this and smile. Take a deep breath in and out and say to yourself, I feel love, I radiate love, I come from love. Remind yourself that you're the one that creates how you feel. And right now, regardless of what's going on around you, you can feel love for yourself, for life, for the universe. You can drop into the energy of gratitude if you take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. If you take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, you can drop into gratitude. What's one thing that you are thankful for? Comment it down below. What's one thing that you are thankful for? Comment that down below. One thing that you are thankful for. Remember, it is a conscious choice to feel love. Do the best you can right now to do anything you can that will bring you into the energy of love. Maybe imagine a baby laughing. Maybe imagine your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Maybe imagine that one time when you were 7 years old and you built that really cool tree fort and it was so fun for like 2 years. Anything you can. Imagine something that will put you in the energy of love. So take a deep breath in and out. You are love. You feel love. Last but not least, you radiate love. The law of attraction says like energy attracts like energy. If you never want to attract negative energy again, you have to get off the frequency of it subconsciously. And you might be like, well, I'm not on the frequency of negative energy. It's subconscious. So it's not our fault, but we just have to take conscious control to get in the energy of love. When you're in the energy of love, you're going to attract great things back into your life. But here's the big kicker. You have to radiate it. So start small. Start small by taking a deep breath in and out. Get yourself in an energy of love. Find something you're thankful for. Take a deep breath in and out, and then go share that with someone. Go smile at someone. Go like this. And go smile at someone. Ask the cashier how their day was instead of just moving through it and, hey, give me my stuff. All right, bye. Ask them how their day was. Look them in the eye. Give them so much presence and love that it kind of makes them feel like, whoa, this person actually is caring about me. They'll notice because no one else in line is doing it. See if you can do it to your coworker. See if you can do it to your roommate when you finish this video. Send them love. Ask them how their day was. Don't talk over them. Ask them questions. See how you can radiate love to somebody, anybody. Maybe buy somebody coffee. Maybe donate to your favorite charity, just a couple bucks. Do something to send love out. And when you get in the pattern of radiating love, what happens is you're going to attract things that match that. Things are going to come to you. People are going to want to help you for no reason. You're going to attract new opportunities. You're going to get a promotion. You're going to get compliments. But first you have to radiate it, because when it comes to energy, you don't get what you want. I want more positive energy. That's not how you get it. You get it by being it, by becoming one with it. And so if you want to eliminate negative energy from your life and attracting it, you have to become one with love. You have to be love. And when you start being love, when you start being happy, when you start radiating optimism and positivity, you attract it back into your life. So comment down below, I come from love. I feel love, I radiate love. Comment that down below. I come from love, I feel love, I radiate love. You are a divine being worthy of everything that you desire, but it begins right now in this moment. With a deep breath in and out, reminding yourself that you are love, that every cell of your body is filled with divine perfection, that this is the best time in human history to be alive, baby. Isn't that exciting? This is the best time in human history to be alive. Your past doesn't matter anymore. You are worthy of feeling good. So you've got to remind yourself of this one thing. Say it. I intend to feel good. You have to intend to feel good. And when you intend to feel good, regardless of what's going on around you, Susie's having a bad day. Oh, Susie, I feel so bad for you. That doesn't help Susie. You're going to help Susie by sending love, by reminding her that there are good people in the world. When someone, well, how could you be so happy with all these bad things happening in the world? Did Martin Luther King, did Gandhi say, if you feel bad enough, everything will get better? No, they said be the change you want to see in the world, right? So when you start feeling good, when you intend to feel good, you become an actual lighthouse for everyone else in this world. And then you radiate, you attract that similar energy back to you. So comment down below, I intend to feel good. I intend to feel good. Comment that down below, I intend to feel good. And remind yourself every time you say, I intend to feel good. You take a nice deep breath in and out. And then you remind yourself, I come from love because God is love. So therefore everything in this world is love. You feel love? The only way you can feel love is to take a breath and remind yourself that it's within you. You radiate love. You go share that love, that positive energy with somebody else. You will feel good, you will attract more goodness back into your life. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. If you want to eliminate all negative energy from your brain, from your mind, from your nervous system, right there down below is thesecondmind.com. I created an actual software, a tool to reprogram your brain. To literally, just like on a computer, you can drag old files into the trash can and then press empty bin and they're gone forever. Well, your mind memorizes old negative patterns. So I created a way to literally drag those files into the trash can and delete them. And reprogram your mind for love, for happiness, for money, for freedom, for whatever it is that you want in life, to make your brain a magnet for what you want. And there's a free demo. Over 100,000 people from all over the world have used it. You'll see it pinned to the comments. It's right there down below. It says thesecondmind.com right there down below. So go ahead and you can demo that and start making your brain a magnet for positive energy. It's right there down below. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. And if you haven't yet, make sure you like this video. Go ahead and hit the like button right over there to send this out in the YouTube universe. Some more positive energy spreads all around the internet. Make sure you hit the like button right over there and then subscribe and bell notification. If you've already subscribed, the weird thing about YouTube is you actually have to hit the bell notification. So double check you've actually hit the bell notification right over there on the side. Thank you for watching this video. If this is the first time you've watched one of my videos, it's nice to meet you. Nice digital handshake or a nice digital hug. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back and watching this video all the way through. If you want to check out more stuff from our shop, we have tons of awesome shirts, clothes, all household items, everything designed to eliminate negative energy and program your subconscious to attract great things. You'll see the link right there down below. It's JakeDuceyShop.com. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.